Hello friends! Today we're here to teach you how to access TradingFinder indicators on the TradingView website. On this page, you can learn how to access and install TradingFinder indicators on different platforms. On the main page of the site, we select the TradingView Indicators from the Indicators section. On the Indicators page, we select our desired indicator. On the Open page, you can learn how to use and operate the indicator and to access the indicator. By selecting this option, you can access the indicator on the TradingView site. You can also read how this indicator works on the TradingView site or on the relevant page. And for quicker and easier access, you can activate the Add to Favorites option in this section. To access the indicator from the chart on the TradingView site, search for the indicator name in the Indicators section, or by typing TFLab. You can view indicators related to TFLab and TradingFinder. Or by searching for the indicator name. And select the indicator to run it on the chart. In this section, you can also add the indicators to your favorites on the TradingView site by enabling the Add to Favorite option. Here we can see that the indicator has been applied to our chart and has identified the signal levels for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.